guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here at a new grand opening Dollar Tree. I'm going to check and see if they have any new things that I can find. So stages here, which are very unusual, but they're out here in the front of the store. But they have them in blue, pink. They also have the ones with the little whatever you call these, buttons or whatever. They also have them in turquoise. So they pretty much have a lot of these here. Very nice. Okay, so as soon as I walk in the door, I see that they're starting to put out their fall flowers. And these are very pretty here. And they also have these colors here. You can also see these pretty colors right here. They're starting to put out their fall things now, so. Okay, so here's more fall things that they've started to put out. They have a lot of the hanging signs here. This one says autumn falling leaves. They have this one here. They have the welcome sign here that says welcome fall. Okay, so look at these right here. These are very pretty. Door decor or inside decor. They have the little door hangers here with the bells. Also more decor. Look at this right here. This can be like a door decor as well. They have this here. They have a lot of the scarecrow decor here. And I also see that they have these dishes here, trays shaped of a leaf. Those are very nice, and they have an array of pumpkins in different colors. Look at that yellow one here with the orange. But they have a lot of fall stuff that they're putting out, guys. So, and the things are not bad. They're not flimsy or anything like that. They're very nice. So, see, they have more pumpkins. They have orange. They have these right here, which are very pretty. They have it in the green and this brown color here. I see more signs here that you can put on your table decor. And they have the salt and pepper shakers here. It's shaped as pumpkins. They have the owls. They have the bears. Very nice. More fall flowers here, which are very pretty. Look at that. Look at those right there, guys. Those are very nice. And it matches great with this here. Oh, so these are very pretty right here. Very nice. More decor. And they have the wreaths down here at the bottom where you can make your own wreaths with the different flowers. But I love the burgundy. The burgundy pops out at you also with the yellow. Look at these right here. Very, very pretty. Here's the ones with the cotton. And I wanted to show you these right here, guys. These are the black, the dark purple, and the burgundy, but they have eyes on them. I guess those are eyes. But those are very nice. Alright, so I see that they have some more little small pumpkins. This is the green one here. They also have this one here. And they also have this one. And also see that they have the buckets up there with the owls on them that you can put fall flowers, anything like that in, or make a nice, get you a nice little fall flower and put inside those. But those are very nice. And I see that they have the pumpkins here. It's like a gold one. So they have these as well. And they have the real pretty ones right here. Look at this one right here. Very pretty. Alright guys, so they put out more candle holders, but they have them in the gold, and they also have them in the silver here, which are very pretty. And I also see these ones here. I think I've seen these before, but if not, they're very pretty. They have it in blue, gold, and green. And I also see just the regular white ones here. Very nice. Alright guys, so look at these here. I found, this is a new find. They have the prayer boxes, and they have this one here. They also have this one here. And when you open up the inside, it has a scripture, Isaiah 10-31. It has a little pen here on the side, and it has a little notepad inside. But aren't those cute? But they come in different colors with different patterns on the front. Those are very nice. And they also have this one as well. Very nice. They have some cups up here at the top that I've never seen before, but this one says sit back and relax. This one right here says happiness in a cup. And I only see of them, I see a turquoise one back there, but they also have this orange one here that says rise and grind. And let's see here, the turquoise one back there says take it to go. They come in different colors. Very nice. Alright, I see that they have more washi tape here. It comes in the 5-pack. I see they have that one there. They have this one here, which is very pretty. I see this one right here. Let's see, they have the actual plain ones over here on the side. Decor tape. Comes in different colors. Alright guys, I see that they have some more of the stickers where if you're a planner or if you have the journal, they have some nice stickers here. These actually pop out at you. Look at these here. They also have these here, which are very pretty. And they have these here as well, which are very nice. Let's see if they have any more. They also have the one that says travel. And they have these right here. Let's see if they have any more. They have these right here that says dream. And that's pretty much all of these right here, which are very cute. I see that they have one more eraser that they put out. They have this rainbow one here. Of course, they still have the unicorn and the donut. But I see these ones right here. This is a 12 count erasers. And they have them in Fancy Nancy. They have them in Jurassic Park. They also have them in the Disney Princess. They also have the smaller ones here. This is a 6-pack of erasers. And they also have the big one here that says not again. In this one here, I see that they have a small section of their flip-flops here. I'm assuming because it's beginning to be fall, they have a small section of these. They don't have a wall like they normally do. The wall of flip-flops is what I call them. But they have pretty much the same ones that they normally have every summer. I see that one up there. This is a new one that says Girl Power for Kids. Very nice. Right, so this is the neatest Dollar Tree that I've been into so far, I guess because it's a grand opening sale. But look at the book section. Very neat. Everything is in order. But I don't see anything. I think I've pretty much seen everything here from the other stores. This one right here by Blake Charlton, Spellbreaker. They also have the Bloodshot by Cherie Priest. And this one right here is a Chicken Soup for the Soul, A Mother's Love by Amy Newmark. But they have a lot of books here from recipe books to crossword puzzles, things of that nature, Bibles, learning books for the kids. Very nice. So I see that they have the hand towels over here, and they're actually in the correct section, because the sections that I've gone to, they are over in the kitchen section where the kitchen towels are. But this one right here says So Fresh, So Clean. They have the hand towels. They also have the washcloths. They have these right here that says Tranquil hand towels. They have Soak Your Troubles Away. They have the hand towels and the washcloths. But those are very nice. And they also have some new sponges here that are in different colors. Those are very pretty. Okay, more. They have new pot holders and dishcloths here. I think this is a new one here. I've never seen that one before. Also have they have the kitchen towels to match. Alright, so I see that they put a snack zone in here. They have a different variety of peanuts here by Planters. They have the honey roasted salted peanuts. And I also see that they have the Mike Almonds roasted salted blend, which comes with M&Ms and raisins and different kind of nuts. They also had the pistachios. Also, these are the sweet chili ones. And at the bottom they have Emerald, which is the jalapeno cashews, and the roasted and salted ones. But these are all my favorite peanuts. I love pistachios. I've never tried the sweet chili, but I think I'm going to try those today. Alright guys, so this is the snack section of the Dollar Tree, and they have an array of different cakes here, pound cakes. They got corn muffins, they have blueberry muffins, chocolate muffins, any type of muffins you like. They also have the gourmet coffee cake here. They have the marble pound cake. Any type of cake you want. This is a gourmet banana nut pound cake. This here. But they have, this is their new snack zone. This is a new grand opening here, so they have a new section, the snack zone. And I see a lot of nuts and berries, trail mix. I've never seen these before, but these are the coconut chips here, organic. Very nice. All right, so I see they have the Boom Chicka Pop sweet and salty kettle corns. These are new here. Well, they're new here at this particular Dollar Tree here. Dollar Tree is really upping their snacks here because a lot of the things like this here, the Bugles, the regular Lay's chips, Doritos, and they have these right here called a Terra sweet potato. I may have to pick up a few of these here. I love sweet potato fries or chips. Alright guys, so this is definitely a new find. They sell the Harvest Snacks and the Wasabi Ranch. I don't see the regular flavors, but these are so good. I eat these all the time, but I really don't too much care for the Wasabi Ranch ones. But if they come out with just some regular ones, I'll get those. Alright guys, so I want to thank you for stopping by my channel today. And actually I did find the regular lightly salted ones. But those are very good. I'm going to pick up a couple of bags of those, and I'm going to actually try the Wasabi Ranch again. They're kind of spicy, but I'm going to try it again and see how my taste buds react to these this time here. But again, I do want to thank you for stopping by my channel. This is the grand opening of this Dollar Tree here. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, comment, share, hit the notification bell to get alerts each and every time I upload. I want to thank you for stopping by my channel again, and I hope to see you again real soon, guys. Bye.